Okay, guys, so the line we're given here is in point slope form. And so we want to find the slope of the line perpendicular to it. Now, if you know how to get the slope straight from point slope form, that'll save you some time. But what I like to do, because I like to practice either way, is I like to get this into slope-intercept form. Plus, slope-intercept form tells me a little bit more about the line because it'll tell me my y-intercept. So I'm going to take the line they give us. I'm going to start by distributing. Negative 8 times 1 is negative 8. Negative 8 times 4 is negative 32. And then I bring everything down. Now, we're almost in slope-intercept form, but we have that pesky little minus 7. So we want to get rid of it by adding 7 to both sides. And we have y is equal to negative 8x minus 25. So we know that our slope here is negative 8. So if the slope of the original line was negative 8, and we want to find a slope perpendicular to that, all we have to do is we take our negative 8, and we start by making the opposite sign. So the opposite of negative 8 is positive 8. And then what we want to do after that is we want to take the reciprocal. So if you remember, this is really 8 over 1. So the reciprocal of that is going to be 1 over 8. So 1 over 8 is the opposite reciprocal slope, or we can say the perpendicular slope. To our original line. So again, we had this original line right here. We found its slope to be negative 8. And then we do the opposite and reciprocal to get the perpendicular slope. And that's all it is to finding slopes of perpendicular lines.